Hello, and thank you for watching our presentation. My name is Jesse, and I'll be presenting today with Bas, Julian, and Wander about our newly found product, SkiNav. Well, as you can see, I just returned from the wonderful Saalbach Hinterglemm skiing resort. It was an absolutely great trip. We went there with EUCSA, so there were a lot of people. We had great weather, and we had a lot of fun, but nonetheless, there were a few drawbacks, and most of these were related to not being able to find your friends when you want to find them. To put the skiing market into perspective, each year there are over 350 million people that go skiing across the globe. In Europe alone, there are over 25 areas that accommodate over 1 million people annually. What we have found from interviews is that out of all of these people, a lot of them, especially the ones that ski in parties, they struggle to find directions, and especially with respect to finding their peers, so finding their friends or family on the slopes. Therefore, we've come up with SkiNav, and the purpose of SkiNav can most easily be explained through a one-sentence pitch. For skiers and snowboarders who want to find their friends or families on the slopes, SkiNav is a winter sports mobile application that provides navigational directions to meet up with your friends and family anywhere in the skiing area. Unlike FatMap, our product efficiently navigates you towards the desired destination rather than just indicating where in the skiing area you're located. What we try to achieve with SkiNav is we try to let people meet up within the skiing area. So our app offers the possibility to have a live overview of where the other person or your friends are located. Then subsequently you can press on your friends, and then you will be provided with the most accurate and most efficient route of how to get to your friend as fast as possible.
For this project, we used the Lean Startup method, built out of three components: the build, measure, and learn. This allows for constant feedback, allowing us to save up money and resources. This is part of Agile development, which is basically making incremental changes to your product. We also created a business model canvas, consisting of the value proposition, feasibility, viability, and desirability aspects. In phase 1, which is the ideation stage, we gathered our personal assumptions about the consumer. We expanded on the idea of Google Maps and Apple's Find My Friends, allowing for navigational directions to friends or places in the skiing resort. In phase 2, we conducted interviews. We didn't give away our product through the interviews, allowing for unbiased results. Among our consumers, we found two groups, Group A and B. Group A were family and friends in big groups, and Group B were families with younger children. The current difficulties are orientating through maps and cellular communication, losing parents and children, and the current solutions are setting meeting points throughout the skiing resort. Phase 3 consisted of prototyping. Building our first prototype, we included an interactive skiing map with friends' location, a friends list, navigation through friends through the Meet button, and the navigation to any establishment by simply clicking on the map. Then in phase 4 and 5, we did more interviews and gathered more feedback. And from our feedback, we found that we need to focus on specific navigation, which is a common problem for both A and B. And we also changed the directions of the layout, as you can see in the bottom right picture.
So next up, we will discuss the feasibility of the idea to see if our idea could become a reality. To evaluate general economic and technical feasibility, we considered three key elements, which were the key partners, the key activities, and the key resources. Concerning the key resources, we will need human, financial, and physical capital as our main three types. Human and physical capital, such as a GPS system and programmers, will be crucial in order to develop the software and other technical requirements of SkiNav. And that is why we chose Saalbach Hinterglemm as our main target area, since it has a well-functioning 4G network, welcomes over 2 million visitors annually, and wants to differentiate itself from skiing resorts. We will need a starting capital of around $240,000 for the app to be developed, which will initially be financed by investors, and the areas are then charged with our developmental costs. Furthermore, we will need two key partners for this to make it a feasible idea, which are the app developers and the skiing resorts. App developers will assure technical feasibility and overall competitiveness of the app, and Saalbach Hinterglemm will provide us with the operating data also needed for development. Our key activities will consist out of providing a functioning app, maintenance, development of new features, and feedback/data collection. And our plan is, after completing the trial in Saalbach, to use this gained credibility to attract other skiing areas to buy the application.
Considering the viability of our project, our company will face development costs around $240,000 per ski area and annual maintenance costs ranging from 15 to 50% of these development costs. Furthermore, we will have no personnel, so no other costs will be involved. Then looking at Saalbach Hinterglemm, we estimated the ski area receives around 600 million euros in lift card revenues annually, meaning that there's plenty of budget for extra things like this. We aim to charge a markup of 40% over the annual cost and no markup over the development costs. And this is how our timeline looks. 2021, we will aim to develop the application for Saalbach. After this, we will start a 2-year trial period at Saalbach. From 2023 to 2025, we aim to expand to other skiing areas, and in 2025-26, we aim to be at maturity, receiving a profit of $100,000 per year, which means that we should have expanded to 3 to 7 ski areas by then. The outlook on the future, we had a very good team process with strong group dynamics, and given the fact that we all come from multiple backgrounds, we all brought different ideas to the table. And the outlook for the app, the skiing industry is very stable, and we expect to benefit from declining app development and maintenance costs in the future. So, concluding, we see considerable potential for SkiNav, and the next steps will be to reach out to app developers, investors, and the ski circus Saalbach Hinterglemm, and we hope to be ready by the winter 2021-22.